Okay. Ano yung role mo dito sa Diwali?
I play Minerva, the character of Minerva. She's a very mysterious woman who lives in the barrio. But then, at one point of the movie, magiging isa siya sa mga suspects sa killing na nangyayari sa mga bata. So, it's intriguing and there's so many revelations in this movie. So, it's something to watch out for.
Buti may time ka pa to do a real aside from being a mother.
Of course, I just try to balance my personal life and my work, and it's not a problem. It's something I enjoy, and as I said, I just balance my work and my personal life.
Hands-on mom ka.
Yes. I try to spend as much time with Zion kasi ang bilis niyang lumaki. So,
Yun hawak.
pinili ko yung schedule ko and basta ako tayo. Kailangan nandun ako sa scene.
So ngayon pagkadante, naka-on
Kumusta na ang kumusta na ang parents mo? Yung parents mo.
My parents are very good, thank you.
Okay. Pero yung relasyon with the in-laws, kumusta?
My mom and Tita Annabelle, they're getting there.
Pero hindi pa.
They're getting there. Pray for them na lang.
Nagiging bridge ka ba para maging maayos?
Of course, siyempre, gusto ko lang naman magkaayos yung lahat para walang conflict, walang ilangan, and lahat ay maging masaya. So, I just keep hoping and praying na maging okay na rin ako one day. But, it's not, for me, parang it's a normal thing. Lahat ng pamilya nagkakaroon ng ganun. So, I think they're getting there.
Pero ano yung
For you in the child to be, diba? Ganito yung parents and yung problem.
It's kind of hard because, of course, we're partners and we don't want that. We want everyone to be okay and happy. But as I said, we still have it's not a very big issue or it's not hindi siya kumbaga big fight. Ano lang siya, something normal that happens in families and with in-laws. So, it has to naman World War III.
Okay, may start at 2015 mo with a movie. Seryoso ka naman, sa show business, magtulog ka sa television.
Yeah, I've been working for quite a long time since I came back. It's what I enjoy and it's what I love doing. So I'm grateful that I'm back working again and doing what I do.
And ano naman limitations sa Richards?
You know what? We respect each other and as long as kakaganda ng career niya, kakaganda ng career ko, then we don't try to hinder each other from, from growing or from having a better career.
So yung business is so flexible, meron more sa hindi siya mahigpit sa ganun. They're wearing
He makes sure that, whatever work I'm doing, it makes sure it's still classy and it's still set a schedule and, he does what partner would do with your friends.
Are you talking about
We are slowly planning things, but we don't want to rush anything. And we're focused on Zion because he's growing so fast. And we're just focusing on him. We don't want to rush anything.
pero napag-uusap?